Hi class, it is so wonderful to see you again. Today we are going to learn 11 new words that begin with the letters A. The red underlines indicate where the syllables are to help you pronounce the words. And I will say your homework sentence right after I say and spell each word, and you can find the answers to your homework sentences at my WordPress website. The first word is advise. 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 Advise means to offer suggestions or recommendations. Your homework sentence for advise: I advise that you learn to have. Word number 2, adventure. 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 Adventure means daring and exciting activity. He went on an adventure to ride a boat. Word number 3, admire. 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 Admire means to look at with pleasure. I admire your courage. Word number 4, adultery. 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 Adultery means sexual intercourse between a man and a married woman. He committed adultery and then repented. Word number 5, advertise. 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 Advertise means draw attention to a product or seek to fill a vacancy by putting a notice in a newspaper or other medium. I will advertise in a newspaper. Word number 6, adolescent. 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 Adolescent means a young person in the process of developing from a child. Many teachers try to understand their adolescent students. Word number 7, admit. ADMIT. Admit means confess to be true or to be the case, typically with reluctance. I admit that I borrowed your book. Word number 8, address. 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 Address means the place where someone lives or a formal speech. Your address is on the letter. The president gave an address to the nation. Word number 9, adult. 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 Adult means a person who has reached the age of maturity. The young boy has become an adult. Word number 10, adore. ADORE. Adore means to love and respect someone deeply. She will adore her husband. And the last word, adverb. Adverb. ADV. Adverb is a word or phrase that modifies or describes an adjective, verb, or other adverb. Gently is an adverb that describes how the fish. And here are those words close up. I want to thank recent commenters, Botter, Ideen, and one. I apologize if I mispronounced any name. The surprise that I want to tell you about that I mentioned in my last classroom video is that we almost have 1,000 subscribers, and as soon as we have 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to have a giveaway, and there will be several winners. So continue to stay tuned. Right now we have about 897 subscribers, so we're very close. And I want to thank all of you for watching today and all of my friends over there at WordPress and Facebook as well. So I'm looking forward to this giveaway. And if you want to be a winner, continue to watch my videos all the way to the end because this truly helps the channel out. Share the video, like and subscribe. Share this with anyone who is struggling to read so that they can learn to read and improve their reading. I thank you so much. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.